Say hello to Brevo, your all-in-one CRM suite for cultivating lasting customer relationships. With products to enhance every customer experience, Brevo is your easy-to-use, high-value marketing and sales toolbox. Use the marketing platform to build multi-channel campaigns and reach your audience where they are. Create professional emails, WhatsApp, SMS, and web push campaigns in a snap. Our drag-and-drop editor and pre-built templates make it easy. Then nurture your leads with automated workflows to simplify every stage of the consumer journey. Engage with your audience in real time using personalized chat tools and calls on conversations. Turn questions into meaningful connections with live chat. Send and receive all your messages from one place on any device. And give clients the instant answers they need by letting a chatbot do the talking for you. You can even extend your conversations with phone to personally connect with clients from anywhere. Now, don't let your marketing efforts go to waste. Never miss an opportunity to grow with Sales Platform. Get a clear view of all your deals in one place. Track opportunities at every stage and save time by automating repetitive tasks. You can even host video calls and invite prospects to book meetings with you using Meetings, our automated scheduling tool. Automatically send millions of email, SMS, and WhatsApp notifications with our transactional API. Customize your templates, easily integrate with your CMS, and enable two-way communication, all with ultra-reliable delivery. Brevo also offers an enterprise solution. Brevo Plus lets you manage all your sub-accounts in one location. Keep sub-account data separate. Use centralized dashboards to see all customer engagement. Get advanced reporting and dedicated customer support. What's more, we do business where you are, in your language, in harmony with your tools. With 24/7 customer support and more than 500,000 happy customers, you're in good company. Brevo, the most approachable CRM suite.